Hello friends, this is Avinash Kumar. Welcome you all once again. In this video, we will learn what is package in Java, how it is helpful for us as Java coder. So let's start discussion on Introduction to Package in Java. As similar as its name, package in Java is used to wrap up some stuff, and that stuff is classes, interfaces, and sub-packages. As per definition, we can say that package is a way to logically organize classes, interfaces, and sub-packages. Here, what is the meaning of logically? We can understand this by an example. Suppose you are having many photos of your various occasions, like your birthday, your first trip to any hill station, or etc. Logically, you will not keep your all photos in a single folder. Generally, what we do, we keep those photos into folders or subfolders as per occasion or places or date wise, and that is known as logically organizing any stuff. So the package is used to organize classes, interfaces, and sub-packages logically. Next question come in our mind that how should we organize our package logically? We can take same example for Java itself. In right hand, we can check that file input stream is used to interact with input output operation. So Java has kept it into java.io package. Similarly, calendar and date are used for utility purposes. So it is part of Java util package. In this example, we can also see some built-in packages. That means packages those are created by the Java for own purposes, like managing own classes. Till now we have understood what package is. Now let's try to understand how can we create a package. Using package keyword, we can create a package. Using package keyword, we tell Java that where this file will be going to be placed. After package keyword, every word those are written considered as a directory. In the live demo, we will demonstrate you. Now let's talk about some rules. In the same directory or folder, we cannot make two different classes or interfaces having the same name. This is not the rule of Java only. The same rules apply to operating system also. In any OS, you cannot create two files having the same name and the same type in a directory. Before package name, only comments can be written. This is the second rule. And the third rule is same file names can be used but in different packages. Java also has done the same thing. As a date, the class is present in java.util package and java.sql package. So these are the rules to create any package. Now let's take a look how we can use those or import those packages. To use any class, we need to import that class using import keyword. Until that class is present in the same package or present in java.lang package. Java.lang package is default package of Java, so we do not need to import these classes. These classes are directly accessible. Importing a package is only required because at the time of class load, it requires reference to find out where the class can be found. That means if we do some import multiple of times, It will not impact any performance issue since it is only used as an address to access the class. From this example, we can see that import can be done in many ways, like a package with the class name to import a single class. If we use package name with asterisk, then we do not need to do multiple import for each class. Let's take a scenario. If two classes, those are having the same name but present in two different packages, and we want to use both in the same class, what will happen? In this case, we cannot import both class at the top of the class name, since it will give a compile time error. So in this case, we only import one class at the top and another one we import with the line of code. We can see this from the example. Till now we have covered things those are directly correlated with the package. But now let's see the impact of package into the scope modifier. In this diagram, we can see that if a class is having any attribute or behavior as private, it will only be accessible into the same class only. If class attribute or behavior is the default, then it will be accessible into the same package. If class attribute or behavior is protected, then it will be accessible into all the places but only for the child of that class. However, the child only can use that protected attribute or behavior into the same class. Then even existing class cannot use its own protected attribute or behavior. In the live demo, I'll demonstrate the same. Last but not least, public. Its all behavior and attribute can be accessible in all classes. So that's it from a side for this topic. In this video, we have covered some questions. Those are: what is the Java package? What are the advantages of Java package? Can we use the same import multiple times? Which package we do not need to import? So how multiple classes having the same name but kept under different packages? What can only be written before the package name into the class? What is the impact of package on scope? We are making our next video on a live demo of Introduction to Package in Java. Till then, thanks. Kindly like and share this video, subscribe to my channel and leave comment if you want to know any clarification. Thanks once again.